Hello and welcome to Quicklink Software's online tutorial. My name is Ryan Gard, owner of Quicklink Software, and what we're looking at here is we're looking at my computer screen because I not only want to tell you how Quicklink works, I want to demonstrate it and show you how it works. So first of all, where is Quicklink and how do I use it? Well, Quicklink is on the bottom right hand corner right next to your clock. You have an icon here. If you put your mouse over it, it'll say Quicklink. If you click it, it'll give you a ton of features. The two features that we're looking at today is Dimension Express and pricing. So let's go ahead and do the first feature, which is Dimension Express. Now, Quicklink has teamed up with Dimension Express to offer an efficient and easy way to look up dimensions for you and your customers. So if you type on that, if you hit that box, you'll get a screen here that pops up, and it's asking for you to type in a model number. Now let's go ahead and type in an ABB 1922, which is an Amana bottom freezer refrigerator. So if we do that, Quicklink will automatically connect to Dimension Express's database and pull up the model number for you. And from here, we can either do the dimensions or the installation instructions. For this example, we're going to do the dimensions. So here they are. These are the bottom freezer refrigerator dimensions that we were looking for the ABB 1922. Now, that in itself is pretty powerful because you know what? We skipped a ton of steps. We didn't have to go to Amana's website. We didn't have to look up freezers or refrigerators. We didn't have to click on the model number, wait for it to load, and all that junk. We just simply typed in a part of the model number, and voila, it automatically popped up. So that's pretty powerful. You know what we also can do? We can also print these off, just like normal. We could save them to your computer so you can look at them later, but we can also fax them, and we can email them all from this screen. So if you have a customer who's maybe they asked you for pricing and dimensions over the phone, and you could say, you know what, why don't you give me your email and I can send all that information over to you. You can do all of that from this screen. Well, let's talk about probably the two ways that you look up dimensions now. You probably either have a physical book where you have to walk over to the copy machine and make a copy of it and hand it to your customer. Not too efficient and definitely not professional. Or you have to go to the Amana's website and do all those different things. Well, we skipped all of those steps. But where Quicklink really shines is when your customer's looking at multiple brands. And I'm going to give you an example. Over here on the top right hand corner is a magnifying glass, and it says click here to search for a new model number. So let's say that your customer is not only looking at that Amana bottom freezer, but they're also looking at a laundry center from Frigidaire. Well, guess what? We already have it popped up. Here is the Frigidaire Laundry Center, the GLEH 1642. So again, we skipped all of those steps, and we definitely saved you a ton of time, making you more efficient. And again, you can email them, you could fax them, you could print them, or you could save them to your computer for you to view later. Let's do another one. Let's do an EO130, which is a Decor wall oven. And again, by the time I'm pretty much done telling you what it is, they're already up here. So look what I did. In about a 15-second time frame, without me talking, I pulled up 3 different specs from 3 different brands, saving you a ton of time. And you know what? It was very, very easy to do. So that is the Quicklink Dimension Express Auto Find. And I think you'll agree that even if you don't use computers, this is very, very simple to use. We have a dealer that's using Quicklink. They have people that are over 70 years old that are using Quicklink on a daily basis. In fact, that's all they use. They don't have price books and they don't have dimension guides. This is all they use. And those 70-year-old salespeople, they don't even use computers on a regular basis. They wouldn't know how to even check their email. So Quicklink is very, very simple for them to use. I'm going to give you another example of why this is an important feature. Again, that same dealer, they've been using Quicklink now for about 2 years. And they are constantly getting called from their customers saying, you know, my contractor's at the house right now. I can't find the dimensions, and I need them sent right away. Can you get them over to me? Well, generally, by the time they're ready to hang up the phone, you could tell them, hey, I've already sent the dimensions for you. Go ahead and check your fax machine or your email box, and they'll already be there. Well, your customers, the first thing they're going to say is, wow, that was really fast. And that's what Quicklink can offer you. It can offer you a more efficient way of running your business because you know what? Customers see that, they love that, and they continue to want to deal with the people that are the most efficient and most accurate, which, if you have Quicklink, will be you. So the next feature we're going to take a look at is the pricing. So the way that we're going to get to the price sheet is, again, click on this icon and go to price sheet. Pretty simple. Now over here on the top right hand corner are all of your brands. Now these will be specific to your store. What I'm showing here are just some examples of some appliance brands, but it doesn't matter what you carry. It doesn't matter if it's furniture, it doesn't matter if it's parts or appliances. We could put in all of your manufacturers over here. Now you have the ability to upload your own pricing to Quicklink. It's very, very simple to do, and we can show you how to do that in another video, but for now I'm just going to show you exactly how it works. So for this example, we're going to use decor. The reason why we're using decor is because I have the MSP pricing, and if you're not a decor dealer, we want to keep those costs protected. So first of all, what we've done here is we've opened up the price sheet. Pretty simple, but you could scroll through here and kind of see what everything is and find exactly what you're looking for and the cost, but that's not a very efficient way. So what we have is we have a search box over here. You could type in a model number, not the whole thing, just part of it, and it will automatically find it. So there is the EO130, and for this demonstration, we're going to pretend that this MSP price is actually cost. So we show $35.49. Now, did you see what I did right there? I searched the whole price sheet and found the model number. Now, again, in real life, what you would have to do, or what you're doing now, is you would have to open up a book, find decor, and search throughout the price sheet for that particular model number. That's even if you can find the price sheet, because we all know that for whatever reason, people can never seem to put the price sheet back where it belongs. So that's the EO130. Let's look up a PO130. Again, there's the PO130. So that's pretty powerful. You can find a cost on something in a matter of about a half a second, and it's automatically going to find it for you. But let's go one step further. Let's again pretend that this is cost, $35.49. And we're going to put it over here in the calculator box. And look what it did. It automatically found or automatically calculated your retail for you. Now, the retail that I have set right now is 28%, so that shows $49.29. Well, what if you want to switch it to 22%? You just type in 22, and Quicklink's automatically going to figure out your retail price at 22%. So what you could do is you can open up a price sheet, find the model number, and automatically figure out the retail price very, very quickly, all in one screen. Now, let's go a step further. What if you need dimensions? Well, underneath that, you could just type in a part of the model number, and it will automatically search the database throughout Dimension Express, and just like we showed you earlier, it's automatically going to pull up the specs for the item you're looking for. So there is the EO130. So let's go back to that screen. You were able to look up or open up a price sheet, look at a model number, automatically search it, find out the retail price, and get dimensions all on the same screen. Now, folks, that's pretty powerful, because now you are instantly a lot more efficient. You don't have to worry about lost price sheets. And here are some other features that you might be interested in. Quicklink can be installed on any computer. It can be installed on multiple computers throughout your store. And why is that important? Well, because now you can have 10 salespeople, 100, 1,000 salespeople looking at the same exact price sheet at the same exact time, and you don't have to worry about losing a price book or waiting for somebody else to be done with the price book. You can do it all at the same time. Plus, it makes it a lot easier to find the pricing that you're looking for, because now you don't have to search around for the price book. So guys, that is the Quicklink Price Check feature. Thanks again for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to click the contact button above. Thank you.